Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Linode Block Storage with snapshots and restore tests, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin backing up your Linode Block Storage with snapshots, log in to your Linode Cloud Manager. Navigate to the Volumes section in the left-hand menu. Select the specific block storage volume you wish to back up. On the Volume Details page, locate the Snapshots tab. Click on the Create Snapshot button to initiate the backup process. A dialog box will appear prompting you to name the snapshot. Choose a descriptive name that reflects the purpose of the snapshot. Once you have named the snapshot, click on the Create Snapshot button to proceed. The system will begin creating the snapshot, which may take a few moments. You can monitor the progress in the Snapshots tab. Once the snapshot is complete, it will be listed in the Snapshots section. To ensure your snapshot is successful, check the status listed next to it. Now that you have a backup, it's important to understand how to restore it. To restore a snapshot, return to the Snapshots tab of your volume. Identify the snapshot you wish to restore from the list provided. Click on the Restore button next to the selected snapshot. A confirmation dialog will appear, requesting your confirmation to proceed. Confirm that you want to restore the snapshot by clicking on the Restore button again. The restoration process will begin, which may take several minutes. Once the restoration is complete, your volume will be restored to the state of the selected snapshot. Verify the restoration by accessing the volume and checking its contents. Regularly schedule snapshots to maintain backups and ensure data integrity. This concludes the process of backing up and restoring Linode Block Storage using snapshots. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.